Most people live their entire lives believing that every thought in their head is a fact, but Stoic philosophy reminds us of a powerful truth. Your mind is not a courtroom, and your thoughts are not evidence. The voice that says you are not good enough, not ready, or already too late is not wisdom, it is habit. Marcus Aurelius taught that life itself is neutral. It is our judgments that create suffering. The problem with negative thinking is not that it appears because thoughts arise automatically, but that we accept it without question. Over time, repeated self-doubt becomes identity, and identity quietly shapes decisions, actions, and destiny. You stop trying not because you lack ability, but because your mind convinces you that effort is pointless. Stoicism teaches us to pause and examine these thoughts rationally. Is this thought useful? Is it true? Is it within my control? Most of the time, the answer is no. Fear exaggerates the future, regret chains us to the past, and comparison poisons the present moment. The Stoics believe strength begins when you separate yourself from the noise of the mind and step into the role of the observer. You are not the thought, you are the one listening. And in that space between stimulus and response, freedom is born. When you stop reacting automatically, you regain power. Negative thinking thrives in darkness, but it weakens when exposed to awareness. This is why Stoic practices emphasize daily reflection, journaling, and mental discipline. Not to suppress emotions, but to understand them. The goal is not forced positivity, but clarity. Clarity allows you to act with courage even when doubt exists. It allows you to move forward without waiting for confidence to magically appear. Action, according to Stoicism, is the cure for inner weakness. Every small action aligned with virtue, discipline, honesty, patience, becomes evidence against the inner critic. Over time, your actions rewrite the story your mind tells you. Words matter too. The way you speak to yourself becomes the environment you live in. Harsh inner language builds a prison. Mindful language builds resilience. This does not mean lying to yourself, but reminding yourself of what is within your control. Your effort, your attitude, your response. Stillness is another forgotten weapon. In a world addicted to noise, learning to sit quietly with your thoughts without chasing them trains the mind to settle. Stillness does not erase problems, it reveals perspective. It teaches you that peace is not found by fixing everything, but by letting go of what you were never meant to carry. The Stoics did not promise an easy life. They promised a strong mind. A mind that does not crumble under pressure. A mind that does not obey every fearful whisper. A mind trained to endure, adapt, and rise. When you stop feeding negative thoughts with attention, they lose authority. They may still appear, but they no longer decide your actions. And that is the real victory. Not the absence of struggle, but mastery over it. If this message resonated with you and you're serious about building mental clarity, emotional strength, and self-discipline, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Stoic wisdom and practical mindset shifts. Your mind shapes your life. Train it wisely.